Just turn on by itself.
Did you get a little scared, babe?
I'm riding in this car ever.
Babe, I'm sorry.
You didn't even warn me that this is what you were gonna do.
I'm sorry, I'm just getting some
fucking
POV
gassing
truck.
it.
My bad. It was just a straight real quick, that's it. We're chilling now, we're chilling. This is kind of sick. You okay, mate? Why'd you choke?
Yeah, because I couldn't handle it.
My back hurts, bro. I've been driving like this because of my sunburn, bro. Fuck. Oh. Oh.
You need to get home and put that alloy on.
I need to put more alloy on for sure, bro. It is hot.
Get some Jergens lotion.
I'd be mad as fuck if I was this person in front of you was coming in hot like that. I'd probably flick you off. That's fucking scary.
Every time, baby.
All right, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Honestly, today's POV drive was not supposed to be the regular Sunday vlogs. It is a thing that I want to start incorporating randomly throughout the week just to give you guys more content. I've been working on a bunch of stuff. I don't want to let y'all down with the regular Sunday vlogs. However, every other Sunday, we're going to get back at it. It's going to be great vlogs. And then I want to post more of these POV drives throughout the week to keep you guys entertained. Let me know what you guys think about these POV drives. Do you want me to do more of them? I know a lot of people are telling me to do night drives. So I will definitely be doing it, but my car's been down for a little bit. I finally got the part installed. If you guys know what it is, you know what it is. If you can see it, you can see it, but I'm gonna leave it at that. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Just want to give you guys an explanation on what the hell you watched today. I love you guys all. Please comment, like, subscribe. Lots of special things coming, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.